Okay, so if you trade energy, I need you to pay attention to this video. Think about this particular energy stock back in 1981 that was starting to trade at about $2.27. And we fast forward to 2026, and we are currently at $206. So some of you may not have been around in the 1980s, but I was, and I wish I would have known about this stock. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover in this analysis, I'm going to cover where price is right now. Okay. We're going to look a little bit at the history and where analysts believe this individual energy stock is going, because there's a potential 15 to 40% to the upside in 2026. And I don't want you to miss out. So if you watch until the very end, I'm going to give you some entries in case price dips a little bit. And we're going to talk a little bit more about this particular energy stock as we head into this video. So we are talking about Cheniere Energy. This is carried on the New York Stock Exchange, and the symbol is LNG. You can see it up there in the upper left hand corner. So, this is an energy stock, and I'm going to give you some of the technicals and I'm going to give you some of the data behind this and why analysts are calling for anywhere between a 15 to 40% income boost in 2026. So let's get right into the actual chart. Okay, so we have here from inception all the way down here, we saw this stock down at, $2, negative $2. And really, this energy stock began to take off here in 2012. Okay, that is really what we can see here on this chart here. We can begin to see that this is really where we saw the big first leg of boom of this energy stock. And you can see right here, okay, in 2004 to 2008, all right, let me make this a little bit bigger so that you can see it, okay, we had price come up to this level of about $44 a share, okay? And we are going to go ahead and draw our base down at the bottom. You can see here, this is no different than anything I do with the technicals on any chart that I do. You will find one thing from me, and that is consistency, because consistency builds winners. And so make sure that when you are charting, you do the charts for you, you understand what you're doing, and do the exact same repeatable steps every time you chart. And that's how you will build consistency. We then had price give us a dip right back down here. If you look over to the left, okay, because this is where you got to focus on, okay, always look to your left. You can see here that this had been a previous support level back in 2006, became a support level in 2013, became a support level in 2016, and more recently became a support level in 2020, and then we really took off. Then we had our next major high right up here. So we do the exact same thing. We now begin to track current pricing. And if we zoom in right here, okay, look what we have here, right? Previous resistance at about 84 turned into support at about 84. And then when we back this chart up and we bring this down, we can see here, this was the next major wave that we began with LNG or Cheniere Energy. Okay. And I'm looking at the monthly chart. This is where you want to chart this monthly chart. Then we had a couple of price action points down at this level right here. But this is the one that really interests me right here. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to really focus in on this particular level, because this level seems to be the most recent floor. And maybe that is the floor for 2026 and why you should be paying attention to this. Okay. By the way, if at any point in this video you get some value, all I need you to do is to hit the like button, because it costs you absolutely nothing. and it's absolutely free. And you can help support me and my channel with a like on this video. And of course, comment below if you have any questions. So now we have this floor right here. Okay, and you can see here that back in December of 2025, so last month, price came right back down to this floor. So we are still looking at this monthly chart, and then we're going to go ahead and cap off this wick right here at $258 a share, which hit not too long ago, but basically January of 2025. Current price is at 206. So the fact that current price is at 206, the fact that we have an established floor, and the fact that we have a possibility of reaching the highs again on this energy stock should excite you, as the sun is really beginning to come out strong where I live here in Miami. So let's go ahead now and let's begin to break this down as we drop into the weekly chart. Now, this right here, my friends, you should be jumping up and down on this right here, because what do you see right here? And what I want you to do is I want you to go down to the comments and I want you to tell me what this is for you when it comes to a trading chart. When you see this type of candle, okay, I'm talking about this big green candle right there, okay, what is that candle called compared to the two previous candles? Okay, so what I want you to do is head down to the comments and what is that candle called? Because while we're learning about trading and investing opportunities, if I can take a few minutes to maybe educate one person on each of my video, I feel like I have done God's will in this. So if you can tell me what you would label that particular candle, that would be awesome. So what we have here now on the weekly level is we did have a break of structure right there. Now, when we look over here to the left, and again, if you're new to trading, you should always look to your left, because the left kind of means what price has previously done, and success leaves clues. So the last time that we closed above this $200 mark, we ended up shooting a price all the way up to that 258, as we talked about, for the all-time high. Okay, so we have a couple of clues that have already begun to form on this energy stock. Number one is on the weekly, we've closed above a structure point. Number two is we look to the left and we have previous data, previous history. So we kind of check that off as well. Okay. Now, as we get into here, okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and look at this price action. And if you stick around for just a few more minutes, I'm going to give you some of the fundamentals behind LNG and Cheniere energy. Okay. So we did have a floor and a pivot right here at about 218. So 218 right now seems to be pretty much the next major target for Cheniere energy. Okay. And obviously we can't think about going any higher on Cheniere energy until we clear 218. But let me show you what the analysts are saying on this. So if we go right over here and we go to this particular thing here, we can find financials, we can find documents, we can find news, we can find seasonals, we can find technicals, we can find forecasts. I want to focus in on the technicals and the forecast for Cheniere energy. And let's start with the technicals. So as we look at the technicals and we go over to the 1 month chart, we can see here that the technicals, okay, inside of TradingView on the oscillators, okay, it is giving us basically a middle ground here, a neutral understanding of this particular chart. But when we head into this middle category right here, the overall summary, we can see that we have a pretty strong buy here. Not a solid buy, but we have a buy signal with 11 buys, 9 neutrals, and 6 sells. And then we come over here on the right, okay, we have this moving average, okay, same thing, signaling buys on the monthly chart. And again, why am I so stuck on the monthly chart because this is really where you should be focused on weekly, monthly, because that is where institutional trading is happening. It's not happening on the smaller time frames. If you're a scalper, go down to the smaller time frames. If you're looking for institutional moves, 15, 20, 30% over a period of time, you really want to look at these weekly and monthly charts, because that's going to give you the clues about what direction a particular stock is going. Okay. Okay. So now over my shoulder, you're going to see this QR code right up here on the screen. If you scan that QR code right now with your mobile device, you are going to land on this particular page right here. And what I want to help you do is I'm going to launch a brand new Professor Trades Academy. So if you before were confused about random tips, guess what? Afterwards, I'm going to give you small lessons delivered to your inbox. If you are a total beginner, okay, no worries. Afterwards, you are going to feel more confident about the basics of trading and investing. If you have no time for long courses, no worry. I'm going to give you 5 to 10 minute lessons that you can read anytime, and many of those are going to be much shorter. If you are just letting money sit there and not grow, I'm going to give you some practical steps to help you grow your wealth. And if you are doing this alone, it is very hard. So I want to give you the opportunity to be able to connect with me and with others inside of this email group so that you can build community with them. So if you go over to that QR code, it's absolutely free. You can fill out this form here, your best email, you'll confirm it, and then you'll start receiving in about a week or so. I'm going to be launching this Professor Trades Academy. So we'd love to see you there. So you can either scan that QR code or the direct link will be in the video description area. Okay, so we are back on the overall summary. Okay, so we are back on the overall summary showing the technical indicators pushing more towards the buy section. Now, let me show you the forecast. And here, you should be extremely excited about what you see right here on the screen. Okay, so you can see here that based on 25 analysts giving us stock ratings in the past 3 months, it is an extremely strong buy. But I want you to take a look at this forecast, okay? At a minimum, 6% gains from the current price, okay? Current price at 206, 6% would take you to about 220. We talked about the potential for 40% returns, right? That would require this particular energy stock to hit 298. So let's find a middle ground. I believe we're going to see about 240 to 260 on this particular stock right here. The financials are good. This is also dividend based if you're into dividend trading. So we are looking at, right, 20 analysts giving a 1-year price forecast have a max estimate of 298 and a minimum estimate of 220. Okay, so let me say that again. The analysts are saying at a minimum, this energy stock should hit 220. At a maximum, 298. We are currently sitting at 206. So there is potential for the upside. So if you take a look at this top headline right up here, 20 analysts offering a 1-year price forecast have a maximum estimate of 298 and a minimum estimate of 220. So that should get you excited because we are currently at 206. So 6% to 10% returns, I think, based on the technicals that we just showed you with that weekly candle that you are going to tell me what it is, and I almost told you what it was, we should see more upside, especially in the area of energy. So whether you have enough to buy fractional shares on, let's say, a Robinhood app or Charles Schwab, buy some fractional shares. If you can afford to buy a whole share or multiple shares, buy some shares and hold for 6, 10%, whatever your goals are. But I'm feeling pretty confident based on the fundamentals and based on the technicals that we're going to see upside from this 206. But I promised you that I wanted to show you what would happen if there was a dip in this chart. So I do want to go back to the chart and I want to give you some of these areas that you might be able to focus on. Okay. So if there is going to be a retracement, we're going to focus in here on this weekly candle. We're going to go ahead and do our Fibonacci strategy on this right here. And this is, of course, based that price is going to stall out right here at the current 206 and that there's going to be a retracement of this particular weekly candle right in here. Then you would look for, if you don't feel confident buying at this level because we are rejecting this Fibonacci level, then in my opinion, we would wait for a sweep down around the 61.8 if we can get price to come back down near that 192 and then look for the next momentum up on this particular chart. Okay. Understand that these Fibonacci levels also act as support and resistance, as you can see over to the left. And if we drop down to the daily, you can see here a little bit better view. So we could be seeing a push back down off of this level. Okay. And if that level holds as resistance, then this becomes a nice sweet spot to start looking for price to come back down to make your initial entry if you want to be a little bit more conservative versus buying at 206 and then you're freaking out if there's a dip back down into the upper 100s. Okay. So it's going to depend on your play, but we are looking at the bigger time frames showing us that we should be able to have upside to this particular energy chart within 2026. So it might work as a good play for you to add. For me personally, I'm going to see if we can get a retracement back down into the 198, 200 versus 206 to just be able to enter at a better price. And again, if you are a part of my trading community, we're going to give you that buy signal once we've reached those levels if we drop down. If not, we are going to wait for the next major break of resistance, see a break and retest of that support level, and then we will buy there. Okay. So again, I hope you got some value on this energy stock. I'm focusing heavily on energy in 2026. I think there's tremendous upside for energy in 2026. And again, that's the kind of content you'll see here on my channel. But if you come to my private VIP community, we trade indices, we trade Forex, we trade currencies. So you're going to get a vast majority of things that we analyze every day on a daily live stream, Monday through Thursday, and occasional Friday. And then we have some member trainings courses all built in inside of the app that you can access through website, through iPad, or through your phone. Okay. And for that, you go up to the website, theprofessortrades.com, take 50% off your first month using that promo code, and come on in and see what we're doing. And I'm thankful for the 9 members that have joined since last weekend who are already seeing tremendous value. Okay. We will see you tomorrow on another energy video. Not sure if I'm going to do natural gas or crude oil, but keep an eye out for that. Again, my allegiance is going to be to folks in the VIP community. We're sharing charts all the time, but I will be doing more analysis here on YouTube. If the private VIP club is too expensive for you, even though it's like $14 a month for your first month, you're always more than welcome to join the diamond member status inside of YouTube for $5. I think it's $4, $5. And you are also going to get the member live analysis videos that I do daily, but you're going to get them with a little bit of a delay because I have to download and then I've got to go ahead and upload. So sometimes it's about a 30-hour delay, but you're going to get those analysis as well. So if you just want to spend a few bucks, you can definitely feel free to join the diamond membership. That's who's getting charts and that's who's getting the videos in 2026. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend and I will see you soon.